Welcome to my recap with live trades. I hope you enjoy the content. Today is a winning day, up almost 5.5%. Thanks to my BlackBerry swing, $115 in Baba calls, as well as my share position. Small, they're all small, but 10 shares of BlackBerry. Got some Disca, 5 shares of Disca, 1 share of CPNG, 1 share of Baba, 3 shares of AMC, 1 share of BA. This is all I just started doing this. And this is actually how I made money when I first started trading. I made I've doubled a couple accounts doing this, but I didn't even know what I was doing back then. I was just buying things. What I would do honestly is I would do small share sizes, and I was doing this in Cash App a couple years ago, and I would look and see if something had been up. Not a lot on the month, but it just started going up. Like it would have month be a little bit green. The week would be the year would be green. The month would be slightly green, and then the week would be green, but not by a lot. And then I would buy, and a lot of times when the day was red, I would buy, and then I would just hold for a day or a couple days, or a week, and I made money. And then I bought just swinging, I just made money that way. And I mentioned this before, but I held through the COVID sell-off and averaged in on the way down and ended up getting a good average. And then I sold on the way up. And didn't make a ton of money, but I made, several $1,000s. So I got away from that for a while, learning scalping the last couple of years. And now since my account size is really small, what I'm going to do is prove my track record by swinging shares, mostly shares, and some options, and then scalping a little bit, and get my win rate up, and then I can get funded some financing from someone, my family, hopefully, friend or family, and if I can show over 100 trades, I make money on 90 of them, or somewhere high, and I'm net profitable. It's a decent amount relative to the investment. That's cool. Like, I'd like to have the money to be able to get 25 to 50 to 100 shares of something like Penn. I'd get 100 shares of Penn, and yeah, it's not bad. I mean, the 100 shares to start, and then just work in to start 100 shares on something like Penn, something like Boeing, get like 25 to start. Yeah. Anyway, so I don't have a lot to show today. Basically, as yeah. So, anyways, so I was like green $20 or like only $2 with commissions, and then I went to bed. I woke up and I saw BlackBerry. I went to bed like around 9:30 or so, Pacific Standard Time. So, 12:30 Eastern Standard Time. Well, AMC ripped balls. BlackBerry ripped everything. Everything I had pretty much ripped. So I made like $300 more or something, because BlackBerry was red like 100 or 80, $90 when I went to bed, I think. And as you can see, they're unrealized 99, and now I'm on BlackBerry. I'm unrealized on just the calls. I'm unrealized $50 to 79 in the green. So it's like 150 there in gains, and then I had the shares that went up. So ultimately, it allowed me to be green, 200 and something bucks. So okay, so first trade is on Baba that I have to show. So we have this bull pennant, and I play the break right here. Just one contract. I got in a 175 call at 258. Yeah, if you look to the left over here on Nvidia, I if I were to do what I do, I've started doing with swing trading, where I wait for like a double bottom to confirm, and then play that and go in heavy on that, then and just scale out on the way up, then I would do all right with scalping, at least in this situation here. I think I'd do a lot better in general if I just did that instead of buying breakouts every time and just getting buying when the smart money's selling. Then I would do so much better. I would just buy when there's good risk reward. So I'm gonna I held this position for 20 minutes. So let me fast forward. So I threw an order out on the offer there at 320, and I get filled. So um, yeah, so up 111 on that 170 call. That's a 175. So where's the 170 call? No, I might have one more trade. Um. Okay, I have one more trade. So I bought two contracts at 494 and one at 494, one at 5, and then I sell for $60 gain and a $50 gain. So 937.03. Okay, Bob is in the middle here. So I play that little bull, kind of a bull flag high day break. Two contracts. I like the velocity coming in there on the tape. I'm only showing 100 shares and up, and it's just flying through. That's a good sign. A lot of times, even when I'd have one share, and up showing, it wouldn't move nearly as fast. Any stock, So even Tesla sometimes. So I like the daily right above here. It looks great on Baba. As you know, it goes higher, but this trade. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna sell soon. I had this VVOS position on the left here that I was got 3 puts, and then I ended up selling for a loss. I'm still holding one that's actually probably losing money right now overnight, but I'm gonna hold it. It's out till September. I think I'll make money on it ultimately. I'll add into it. I'm bearish on VVOS ultimately. So I sold both of those on the offer, or one on the offer there at 38 minutes 13 seconds, and then 38:31. So 18 seconds apart. Oh no, so 38, 31, 38, 46. So I sold one, the other. 545 and 560. So I made 111 on that one. That saved me on the day. So anyways, yeah, you saw the other trade. Baba was the one today. I made like one I lost some money on it, so I lost $43 there, and then I ended up making 60. So, um, 130 on Baba. So a little bit of money on Facebook. Lost 105 or $110 on Visa. Visa just wasn't. I'll show you real quick. Visa was chopped. So look at the 5 minute up above. I basically buy at the top. No, I didn't. Correction. Look at the 1 minute below on the far right here. So we have this high day break similar to Baba. I get in one there. I get in when it's like that, and then it goes like that down. I get out. Those two contracts, I lost $50 there, and then started to act like it was gonna go higher. So I buy the top again. An idiot. And then one more time. Two contracts at 99, sold at 83. So I just got my you know what handed to me on Visa. There's no volume. I had no business trading it. But I was thinking at the time, I see so many stocks that just take off with no volume. It's like people aren't watching it and they just move like I don't know how they're moving, but there's no excuse for that. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. I do hope you have a really nice day, and yeah, that's it. Good luck with your trading. Let me know in the comments how you've been doing. Goodbye. 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 Goodbye.